how to draw a villain. Specifically this one. If you're a great artist, I suggest you would skip this video because this is like the best villain I will ever draw. Oh my gosh, my pen's not working. Okay. So if you're a great drawer, you are the best. And please teach me more videos on how to draw because this is my best drawing of villain. So please don't bully me. But this is how you draw a villain, in my opinion, and just like how I draw villains. So first, what I do a little technique. I've been wanting to try this, and I finally did. I do a smiley face. Then oh, oopsies. 1 second. No. Okay. 1 second. First, I do a smiley face. Like that one. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Oh, my camera's blurry. Okay, just like that one. And then you want to like do a little cross line. Not like that, but that's just like the best I'm gonna do. I do it like that. As you can see for this one, I did a little more. See, this was the hat. This is like the little like thing, and that's the mustache, little smiley face. And then this, like, that's how you draw a villain. This one might be a little different. Then this is the face. So I don't know how I got those eyes. Oh yes, I do actually. So 1 second. So I did this. So I just boom. Oh my gosh, boom. Come on, work. Okay, there. I add a little neck. Okay. Then I boom. Okay. Okay. Boom. Okay. Boom. Bro. Okay. Okay. Sorry for this bad quality. So I just do a little hoop and a hoop for the shoulders.